Hi, Homeschool Planet friends. Sometimes you enter a grade and need to change it. Your child may have redone the assignment, or perhaps they pointed out that you accidentally entered it incorrectly. There are two primary ways to change a grade that's already been entered. The first is to go to the assignment itself, to click on the link that already contains the grade. So Lesson 92, Estimating Roots, shows grades with a check mark. That means that a grade has already been entered. To change it, all you need to do is select that grades link and then right over the existing grade, select OK, and the new grade is recorded. If, however, you don't know the exact day, like your son or daughter brings you a test that they've retaken and they would like the new grade, you can select the title of the class from the calendar, choose Edit, go to the Grading tab, and then you'll see any assignments needing grades, but if you deselect the box that says Show Only Ungraded Assignments, you'll see a list of all previously entered grades. In this case, I'm going to go to test number 13 and change the score from 22 out of 25 to 24 out of 25. It will recalculate the percentage and store the grade. That's all there is to it. This is Robin at Homeschool Planet. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.